Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Caitlin and I do stuff. Today's video is going to be a short one. It's just a quick little unboxing of a perfume that I bought off of Amazon. Okay, well, it's not a perfume, it's Eau de Toilette, which sounds like a toilet spray, but it's not. It's basically like a perfume, but just really watered down. Anyway, here's my package. So they always send such a big box for such a small little item. Anyway, I told y'all this is gonna be a little thing. So you're probably like, what is that? It's so tiny. So here it is. It's Versace's Dylan Turquoise, but it's the Eau de Toilette, which is basically just a watered down version of the perfume. Got it off of Amazon for like 10 bucks. Oh my god, it's so cute. So it comes in this little box and look how tiny it is. Look at, oh shit. Hold on. Look at how tiny that is. It's so cute. Oh my god, it's so small. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It has like this, ooh, what is that? It has this like little emblem on the top of it. And then as you can see there, it has like, I believe the name of the spray. Super cute, super cute. I used to have a little sample spray of it a while ago, but I used it up, which is why I bought this. It's basically supposed to be the same thing. Honestly, the sample spray that I got was like from a while ago at Sephora, but the sample spray was strong. Okay. Yeah. So the top is not a screw top. It's one of those ones that you just like pluck it off. So you gotta be careful when you open it, but that's what it looks like. That is really strong. I don't know. I think it's really strong for what it is. The wear on this though is usually like at most 2 hours. So you would want to carry this around like in your purse so that you could like, you know, reapply it, put it here and then do your little thing, or maybe put it on your finger and like dab it behind your ears or on your neck. You know, if you're a perfume girly, you know. Oh god, it smells so good. It smells so good. Like it's, after just touching the bottle, it's like on my hands. Like, it's so good. It's so good. I don't know how to describe this fragrance. I'll leave a picture here of like the fragrance notes. Yeah, I just wanted to make a quick little video showing you this like little tiny perfume that I got. I don't know, it's just, it's so cute. Look at how tiny it is. Tell me that isn't cute. Oh, I forgot to show you, the back of the bottle also says Versace on it. So if you're like bougie on a budget, just you find it on Amazon. Like I said, it was 10 bucks. This video is not sponsored. I just wanted to show you. I don't know if I showed you guys the box properly, but this is what the box looks like. It just says Versace on it. Has a little emblem at the top here, like a little face. This is a 0.17 US fluid ounce, so it's very small, but like you get more in this than you do in those like little itty bitty baby trial size sprays. So the fact that it's the same product but in a bigger bottle, I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, that is all for today's video. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.